The SmartFill Outdoor Payment Terminal is our way of making unattended fuel sales easy. Our outdoor payment terminal means you can easily sell fuel at sites that are unattended, like truck stops, small retail stores, and service stations after hours. It's easy to install, and it has a large display and intuitive on-screen menus that make it easy to use. It supports all major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard and American Express, so people can pay with PayWave or card insertion. It also recognises account cards and SmartFill NFC fobs. The outdoor payment terminal works with all popular pump brands, as well as with a pump and flow meter setup. It's built on top of our SmartFill Gen 3 modular hardware, which is proven in the field, and that modular design, along with Ingenico's robust hardware, means this outdoor payment terminal sets a new standard of reliability in its field. It makes maintenance easier, with an extra long printer roll and alerts when the paper's getting low. And for people who don't want or need the paper receipt, they can have their receipt shown on screen. The SmartFill Outdoor Payment Terminal can work with your existing tank gauging system, or you can use our SmartDip system for total control over your fuel inventory. You can also see your tank levels on site at the unit or on the SmartFill website. And you can be notified of tank levels throughout the day by email or get alerts when a tank level gets low. From the website, you can also set up alerts for when the printer paper is running low or run out, as well as if the unit goes offline. The SmartFill website makes monitoring and managing your assets simpler for owners, accountants and financial controllers. With your systems on autopilot, you can see your sales data in tabs and graphs, and you can generate reports in a couple of clicks. And the best part is, there's no ongoing cost for using the website.